To automatically increase video bitrate recorded in video and Pro Video mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen. Under Video section, tap Advanced Video option. And then tap the gray on off switch next to high bitrate videos until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, your phone will automatically increase the bitrate of videos recorded in video and Pro Video mode. However, you have to remember that high bitrate videos are usually larger than normal videos. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.